Hello everyone, welcome to the math class. Today we will learn about even and odd numbers. First of all, what does even and odd numbers mean? Even numbers are numbers that can be paired equally. Like, look at here, we have 6 counters. I want you to look at the first line and make sure that if you can see that each counter has a partner, then the number here is even. That means 6 is an even number. Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be paired equally, like 5, if we have here 5 counters, as you can see, and the first counter has a partner, the second counter has a partner, but look at the third counters, doesn't have any partner, then the number is an odd number. That means 5 is an odd number. Today we will learn only about even numbers. Let's start with number 4. Now I want to know if number 4 is an even numbers or not. I'm going to use 4 counters, but I need to give the girl and the boy 1 counter at a time so I can see. I will divide number 4 into 2 groups, and I will see if both groups have the same number of counters, then the number is an even. Let's start giving the counters to the girl and the boy at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I use the 4 counters. Now I will count. How many counters does the girl have? 1, 2. So the girl has 2 counters. How many counters does the boy have? 1, 2. So the boy also has 2 counters. So they have the same number of counters. They are equals. That means number 4 is an even number. Let's try another number. Number 10. So I'm going to give the girl and the boy 10 counters at a time. Let's see how many counters they will have to make sure that we divide it in an equal number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now I will count how many counters does the girl have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the girl has 5 counters. Now I will check the boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So also the boy has 5 counters. So both of them have the same numbers of counters. 5 and 5 are equals. That means 10 is an even numbers. Now I will tell you that the even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I want you to note that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's like skip counting by twos. Look, I'm skip counting by twos. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the even numbers, okay? Okay, now what about the bigger numbers? Like 14. How I'm gonna know if 14 is an even number? I want you to look at the number on the right here, which is 4. If the number here on the right, one of the above numbers, then the number is even. Look at here, we have number 4 on the right, right? So I will check number 4. If it's one of the numbers above here, which is here, 4, that means the 14 is an even number. Okay, so you just gonna memorize these numbers. Don't forget it. It's gonna make it so easy for you to know if the number is an even or not. After that, we will start the math book and open page 140. I just we are not going to solve all the book questions because today we are learning only about the events. So we will do question number 1. As you can see here, we have number 4. 4, what do you think? 4 is an even number or not? Of course, it's even, so we will circle the even. Question number 3, we have number 8, and 8 is an even number. Okay, then question number 5, we have here 6 connected cubes, so then we'll write number 6 down here. Then 6 is an even number, as you can see. Then we will turn to page 141. We will just answer the question 8. Okay, let's check number 12. As you can see here, and as I said, we look at the number on the right, it's 2, and 2 is one of the numbers that we learned about, so it's an even. Also, number 10, question 10, we have number 14 and 4. Look at number 4, and 4 is an even number. That means 14 is an even number. Question 11, we have number 8, and 8 is an even number. Question number 14, we have here 8 connected cubes, so we will write number 8, and 8 is an even number. Number 15, we have here 10 connected cubes, and 10 is an even number. And the last question of the page for today is question 17. Let's connect the connected cubes. Here are 16. And as I told you, look at the number on the right, it's number 6, and 6 is one of the even numbers. That means 16 is an even number. And that's it for the classwork. And let's move to the homework for today is page 143, question 1 and 2, and page 144, question 6 only. Good. Please just the questions, the specific questions that we wrote in the newsletter. Thank you very much. And this is all about today. Thank you.